Oh, hi, you caught me in the middle of scrolling through Instagram. I do this for hours every day, and I know it's a problem. But I just can't seem to stop. A research on how to overcome the addiction to social media. We are here to share the insights with you. 5 tips for overcoming social media addiction. One of the best ways to avoid getting sucked into social media is to set a time limit for how long you'll spend on each platform. You can use a timer app to keep track of your time. Example, Pomodoro timer app. It's best to set the timer for 30 minutes a day, and once it goes off, to put the phone away. A person scrolling through their Instagram feed. Another way to avoid getting sucked into social media is to unfollow accounts that don't serve you. If you're constantly comparing yourself to someone else, or feeling bad about yourself after scrolling through their posts, it's time to unfollow them. Notifications are one of the biggest distractions when it comes to social media. They pull you away from what you're doing and make it hard to focus. By turning off notifications, you can stay focused and avoid getting pulled into social media. Social media addiction often stems from boredom or a lack of fulfilling activities in your life. Try finding other activities you enjoy, like hiking, reading, or painting. Finally, it's important to use social media mindfully. This means being intentional about what you post and what you consume. Take time to reflect on what you're sharing and why you are sharing it. And when you are scrolling through your feed, ask yourself if what you're seeing is uplifting or draining. By using social media mindfully, you can enjoy the benefits of technology without becoming addicted to it. Don't let social media control your life. Subscribe now to receive more tips and strategies for achieving digital wellness, improving your mental health, and living a happier and more balanced life.